Good morning, dear children. So, yesterday we were discussing about the sum of exterior angle properties, sum of exterior angles of a polygon. So, the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Whatever be the number of sides, the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So, let us do the questions relating to that. The first one, draw the figure and write down the question. Find the value of x. So in the figure, three exterior angles are given to us. One is angle 90, measure of the angle is 90 degree. The second one is 50 degree and the third one is 110 degree. And the last one is given as x. Here you have to take care that all the exterior angles are in the same direction. Okay, that is, if it is drawn in anti-clockwise direction, every angle must be in that direction only. See now, in this figure it is drawn like this, one side. Now it is coming in this direction, then 90 degree in this direction, then coming in this one. Okay, it is drawn like this. See, these are the angles given. This side is extended to this one. Here it is extended in this direction. This is extended to this direction. And now this one is extended to this direction. We are not considering this exterior angle. Here we are taking this one. Okay. So this side is extended. This exterior angle is taken. This side is extended. This exterior angle is taken. This side is extended. This exterior angle is taken here. And then this one is given. So the sum of these exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. We can write it as 90 plus 50 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Find the value of x from this and give your answer. Abhishek, find the value of x and give your answer. What is the value of x? The value of x is 360 minus 250. This is equal to 110. Okay. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Write the question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. You have to find the number of sides. So let the number of sides be equal to n. What do you mean by a regular polygon? Regular polygon means both equilateral and equiangular. That is, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So if there are n sides, how many angles will be there? N angles. Okay. Then the measure of each exterior angle is given as 45 degree. Measure of an exterior angle is 45 degree. Like this, how many angles are there? N angles. So what is the total? Sum of all these n angles. Sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. And you know that there are n angles and each of measure 45 degree. So this is equal to 360. So what is the value of n from this? Divided by 45. Find out the answer. Answer is 8. So it is the polygon have 8 sides here and it is an octagon. See, now the number of sides is to be taken as n. We have to find the number of sides, and in the question it is given that an exterior angle, measure of an exterior angle is 45. Since it is a regular polygon, every angle in the polygon are equal. If the interior angles are equal, the corresponding exterior angles are also equal. And you know that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Since there are n sides, there are n angles, each of measure 45. So the total is n into 45 and it is given as 360. Therefore, n is equal to 360 by 45, which is equal to 8. Okay, now the next one. Find the value of x from the figure. Find the value of x. Draw the figure. Here again the exterior angles are given to you, and sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So we can write this as 125 plus 125 plus x. These are the three exterior angles given. This is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 250. Okay, sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. The three angles are given as 125, 125 and x. So sum of this is equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125, it is 250 plus x, and transposing 250 you will get it as 360 minus 250. And the value of x is 110. Let us move to the next one. Draw the figure. Find the value of x. So okay, now let us name this polygon A, B, C, D and E. So here this angle A of the polygon is given as 90 degree, isn't it? The symbol is for 90 degree. So this measure is 90 degree now. If this is 90 degree, what about this exterior angle? It forms a linear pair. So this also equal to 90 degree. Okay. This symbol is for 90 degree. So here this angle makes a linear pair with this one. Linear pair means sum is equal to 180 degree. So since this is 90 degree, this angle will also be equal to 90 degree. Now all the remaining exterior angles are given here. The symbol is for 90 degree. So this is also equal to 90. From the figure, 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 360 minus 310, which is equal to 50 degree. Okay, in the figure, this angle is given as 90 degree. Since it forms a linear pair with this one, this is also equal to 90. This angle is given as 60. Here this symbol is for 90 degree. And then this exterior angle is given as 70. This is x. Sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. And the sum gives 310. Okay, let us move to the next one now. Now the next one is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. First one 9 sides and the second one is 15 sides. It is given that it is a regular polygon. So in a regular polygon, the interior angles are equal. Therefore, the corresponding exterior angles are also equal. Number of sides is 9 and let x be the measure of an exterior angle. So how many angles are there? 9 angles. So 9 into x. is equal to 360 degree. X plus x 9 times. It is 9 into x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles. 9 into x gives sum of exterior angles, which is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 9. Similarly, you can do the second one. Since it is given that the polygon is a regular polygon, all the sides and all the angles are equal. That is, the interior angles are equal. If the interior angles are equal, their corresponding exterior angles are also equal. Let the measure of an exterior angle be x. If one angle is x, the sum of 9 such angles. Since it is a 9-sided polygon, 9 times x gives 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. What about the second one? What about the second? Number of sides is 15. So 15 into x gives 360 degree. Then x is equal to 360 divided by 15. It is equal to 24. Okay, now the next one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? So you have to consider n as the number of sides. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Number of sides is n. So n exterior angles are there, each of measure 24 degrees. So the total measure of the angles is n into 24. This is equal to 360 and n is equal to 360 divided by 24. So it's a 15-sided polygon. See, the number of sides is to be taken as n. Since it is a regular polygon, each angle is of the same measure. Every angles are of same measure. That is given as 24. And you know that sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. There are n angles, each of measure 24 degrees. So the total measure of angles is n into 24, which is equal to 360. So n is equal to 360 divided by 24. Okay, now the next one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165? Write the question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165? So what you have to find? The number of sides. How many sides does a regular polygon have? So let the number of sides be and what is given to us? Measure of an interior angle. Is equal to 165. So what will be the measure of its corresponding exterior angle? Measure of exterior angle. See now, if this is the interior angle. If a polygon is like this, a polygon is like this one. And this angle is 165. What will be its corresponding exterior angle? It is 180 minus 165, which is equal to 50. Measure of one angle is 15 degrees. How many such angles? How many sides for the polygon? N sides. So we know that sum of exterior angles is equal to Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. N angles are there, each of measure 15 degree. This is equal to 360 degree. So N is equal to 360 divided by 15. What about the answer? (24). Number of sides is 24. See now, let n be the number of sides. Measure of an exterior angle is given as 165. So its corresponding exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165, which is equal to 15. Then the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. There are n angles, each of measure 15. So the total measure is equal to n into 15, which is equal to 360. N is equal to 360 divided by 15, that equals 24. So it is a 24-sided polygon. Okay, now the next one. First question is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees? So let us do the first part. An exterior angle is given as 22 degrees. If possible, let n be the number of sides. So if there are n sides, how many angles? N angles must be there. And you know that sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. There are n angles, each of measure 22 degree. So the total measure of the angles is n into 22. The measure of one angle is 22. N angles are there. So n into 22 is equal to 360. And here, if possible, we are not sure that whether this is possible or not. Okay. So n is equal to 360 divided by 22. Find out the answer now. This is equal to 17.333, etc. So is this possible to have the number of sides 17.3? N is the number of sides. Number of sides must be a natural number. That must be a counting number. We are counting the number of sides. So here this is 17.3. It is a decimal. We cannot count this one. 17.3 sides. We cannot say that, which is not possible. This is not possible. Got the value of n as 17.3, but n is taken as the number of sides. So this 17.3 as the number of sides is not possible. So we cannot have a polygon with measure of exterior angle 22 degree. Now let us consider the second part. Second part, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? So if this 22 degree is an interior angle, is it possible? So it is given an interior angle is 22 degrees. So what about the corresponding exterior angle? Corresponding exterior angle is 180 minus 22. This is equal to 158. This is equal to 158 degree. Okay. So let n be, if possible, let n be the number of sides. Then n into 158. N angles and each of measure 158 degree is equal to 360. Sum of exterior angles is 360, which implies n is equal to 360 by 158. You will not get a natural number here. So this is not possible. The value of n here again is not a natural number. So it is not possible. In the second part, the question is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? That is, interior angle is 22 degree. So the corresponding exterior angle will be equal to 180 minus 22, that is 158. And if possible, let n be the number of sides. Then there are n angles, each of measure 158. So the total measure is n into 158, which is equal to 360. Sum of the exterior angles is given as 360 degree. So implies n is equal to 360 by 158, which is not possible. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now the next one. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? And why? First part, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So what is the minimum number of sides for a polygon? Can you draw a polygon with two sides? It is not possible. Okay. So here minimum number of sides must be equal to 3. And if x is an exterior angle, 3 into x gives 360 degree. Then x is equal to 360 by 3. Isn't it? See, the minimum number of sides for a polygon is 3. That is a triangle. A 3-sided polygon. That must be a triangle. If x is an exterior angle of the triangle, then since this is a regular polygon, all the 3 angles are equal. And 3 angles are there. The sum of the 3 angles is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Then x is equal to 360 divided by 3. X is equal to 360 divided by 3, which is equal to 120 degree. Question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible? And we took this x as an exterior angle. Therefore, interior angle is equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60. So the minimum measure of an interior angle possible is 60 degree. And the second part you do as homework. Okay, in a similar way you can find the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. Do it as homework. Okay, thank you.